So I'm right now here in Adibasi Sibuk, Mirambatum. Mirambatum is the place where my forefathers in 1894 defeated the British forces and pushed them back. So right now what I'm doing here is calculating the compound interest. You guys will be surprised why am I calculating the compound interest. So it is linked with our state. This is the reason. The main reason is the compound interest, the depthness, the in-depthness. Okay, so in 2006 and 2007, the then CM, Mr. Dorji Kandu, took more than 225 crores as an advance loan from NHPC, so that he can bring back the state cooperative Apex Bank back from sinking. The condition was 9% compound interest every year. So from 2006 to 7, today it's 2025. It's been 19 years. So I'm doing the math, compound interest. So calculating the principal amount that he took, the state government, in the name of state government, Mr. Kandu took is 225 crores. And then compound interest is 9% annually. So today in the stage of 2025, it's been 19 years. So if you compound it yearly, so 9% interest is 931 crores 87 lakhs. That's the interest on the principal of 225 crores. So if you put it, the total compound interest till 2025 becomes so if you calculate the total compound interest, the total debt still the state government of Arunachal Pradesh has is 1,156 crores 87 lakhs. This is the compound interest. So that means our state Arunachal Pradesh is in a debt from which it will never recover, just because of one person, just because of one. Now, if this trend continues, if the state government or the state person who took the loan cannot give back the total amount, so ultimately he or she or the person or the organization or the state government has to give back the money. If the project is not completed, then the money is to be given back. But if the project is complete, then one ethnic native tribe becomes into brink of extinction. So all these projects were signed during the period of 2005, 6, 7 and 7, 8. First and foremost, the push of the state government or the state person who took the money of 225 crores. Firstly, he wants to dam the biggest river, the 7th largest river in the world volume-wise, so that since it's a big river, if you make a dam, you get huge amount of money. If you get huge amount of money, you can pay your debt. So state government is trying to pay its debt using the Adi people, the Abor people, their resource, their ancestral home, their farmlands. Using our lands and resources, they want to give back the money to NHPC or whatever corporations they took the money from. After all this calculation, we can see that Arunachal is in a debt trap. Arunachal Pradesh is in a debt trap. This is not only for Adi youth or Adi place. This is for all the Abotani clans and all the Buddhist clans and all the Naga clans in Arunachal Pradesh and whoever I did not mention. We are in a very, very grave debt from these big power developers. So it is the responsibility of the person who took it, not the responsibility of a native tribe or a person or an organization to give it back. So he or she has to find a way to give back the debt amount so that we don't suffer. आइए